Good morning, students. Today we will start with our new chapter of SS, chapter 4, Early States of Political System in India. In this chapter, we will read about Janpad, Mahajanpads, 16 Mahajanpads, monarchy system, the rise of Magad, republic system, and social life and administration of republic states. So, we will start our chapter Early States of Political System in India. Janpads. The information about the political system and institutions of India is found from scriptures like Vedas, epics, and Buddhist texts, which we have also read in our previous chapter. The form of statehood in Rigvedic or Vedic period was similar to Kabilai rule. Kabilai rule means tribal governance system. The head of the tribal governance system was called Rajanya. His election was to be held. In Vedic period, political organizations like Sabha means assembly and Samiti means committee were existed. This community was also called Vish. About 1000 BC, the earlier states were established in the area of Punjab and the plains of Ganga river. These were called Janpad. Janpad, which means the area or place of a person's habitat. Janpad word was used in the sense of state. Janpad was a state system that was very unique from the Kabilai rule of Rigvedic age. Kuru and Panchal, etc. states are Janpad states. Mahajanpad. Around 6th century, about 16 Mahajanpads have been found in India. Some of these Mahajanpads were republics, while some were monarchy type of states. These Mahajanpads and their capitals are outlined in the following table. According to the book Anguttara Nikaya, written in Pali language, there were 16 Mahajanpads in post-Vedic period. Some of the important tribes are shown in the map. Monarchy state system. The state in which the king was chief was called monarchy. Among the Mahajanpads of this time, there was competition for power, which mainly consisted of four powerful states: Magad, Kausal, Vatsa, Avanti, in which Magad eventually became famous as a powerful state. Here, we will also read about the rise of Magad. At the time of Buddha, in monarchy state system, Magad became powerful Janpad. Why Magad became famous as a powerful state? Because Magad had an abundance of water for drinking, cultivation, transport, and trade. The fertile alluvial soil of the Gangetic plains supported the cultivation of several crops. Magad had a rich deposit of iron ores which was useful for making agricultural implements and weapons of warfare, as well as the thick forest cover provided Magad with wood as well as war elephants. So, using these advantages, Magad started to flourish as the greatest power under King Bimisar of the Haryanka dynasty. Haryanka dynasty. Bimisar was founder of this dynasty. Headquarter means you can say capital. So headquarter of Magad was Rajgri, Grivraj, which was situated on the banks of Ganga and Son river. Bimisar married the princess of several kingdoms including Khoshala, Waji and Madra, thereby consolidating his position through matrimonial alliances. Matrimonial alliances means a formal agreement based on marriage, establishing an association of interests. After him, his son Ajatashatru came to power and made Patliputra his capital. He fought a war with Vaji, Union and defeated Lichvis. In this way, he extended the rule of Magad. Nag dynasty. Nag dynasty came to power after Haryanka dynasty, which includes king named Shishunaga who was associated with Buddha religion. Nand dynasty. Mahapadmanand established the Nand dynasty in Magad. During his time, Magad had become the most powerful state of India. Thus, Mahapadmanand is considered to be the first Indian emperor. When Alexander invaded India, Dhanananda, the ruler of the Nanda dynasty, was ruling on Magad. Now we will read about republic states. Republic. A republic state means a state directly or indirectly ruled by the head who is elected by the people. The common meaning of Gana is mass. The state governed with the help of more than one number can be called a republic state. There were some states in the republic in which the king was chosen by the people. The Lichvis of Vaishali, Shakyas of Kapilvastu, Videha of Mithila, Mala of Kushinara, etc. were included in them. Now we will read about Vaishali Vazi state. The people of 8 or 9 tribes such as Lichvis, Vaji, Gyanatuk, Videha, Shakya, Mala, etc. established the union state to protect themselves was known as Vaji state. The main center of the union state of the people of 8 or 9 tribes was Vaishali, the capitals of Lichvis. So, it was called a Republic of Vaji state of Vaishali. The state administration in republic states was governed by the Sabha, because of which it was called the Republic. Members had all the powers in republic states. They used to sit in Sabha. It was called group assembly. In republic, the place where meeting was held was called sanctum. Elders and youth were selected as members of the state assembly. In republic state, the presidential election for state administration was done by election. In republic states, each member was considered as the king. The decisions were taken by discussing many important issues like administration, defense, war, treaty, etc. In the Assembly of Republic States, any member could enjoy the membership for a fixed time only. An executive committee assisted the President of the Republic in state administration. Social life of Republic States time. The people of this time lived in simple houses. They were associated with cattle rearing and farming activities. They used the clay vessels and painted on them. Vessels painted in grey color called painted vessel. The kings built strong and high forts of stones and bricks around their state capitals. All the Mahajanpads of that time needed for a large an army and a high strong fort for defense. For this, they used to collect tax from the people. The farmer used to give sixth part of their land yields as a tax to the treasury of state. The artisans used to work for the state for 1 day in a month. Cattle rearers gave cattle as a part of tax. The merchants used to pay taxes to the king on the sale of goods. So, during this period of Mahajanpads, the agriculture was improved due to the use of iron tools. So, students, this is the chapter of early states of political system in India, in which we have read about Janpad, Mahajanpad, monarchy system, republic system, the rise of Magad, Waji state, and the social life of republic states. I hope you have understood all the topics of this chapter. Thank you for watching this video.